We have intelligence from multiple sources, including our allies and our own intelligence. The evidence indicates that the plane was shot down by an Iranian surface-to-air missile.
Well, I have my suspicions. It was very, I don't want to say that because other people have those suspicions also. It's a tragic thing. When I see that, it's a tragic thing. But somebody could have made a mistake on the other side, could have made a mistake.
ولی اون چیزی که برای ما محرز هستش و با اطمینان میتونیم بگیم که این هواپیما موشکی با اون اصابت نکرده. همونطور که دیشب اشاره کردم به اون هواپیما نزدیک بیش از 1.5 دقیقه آتش روش بوده و در حال پرواز بوده و جای هواپیما نشون میده که خلبان تصمیم به برگشت داشته.